Hi bestie, welcome to this space on the internet. It is your girl Shuga. If this is your first time on this space of seeing this pretty face and this pretty smile, then please consider hitting the subscribe button below so that you get notified whenever videos come up on this channel. And most importantly, do click on the thanks and the join button below to be an exclusive member of this family. When you click on those buttons, you get exclusive perks like shout outs, like one-on-one consultations and other amazing things, okay, that are at your disposal. In today's video, we are going to be doing justice to the Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing Cleanser. I'm going to be sharing with you everything that this product says it is, if it has actually ever delivered on the promise that the brand made, saying that this product is going to help, do all the things that it says. We're going to be finding out in this video. And I'm also going to be sharing with you how you can actually use this Clean and Clear blackhead clearing cleanser as a beginner to achieve a clear skin, clear out your dark spots, your blackheads, and even to get rid of your acne. Now, if that sounds like something that you would like to know, then please keep watching. Now, if you've been experiencing a lot of blackheads, stubborn blackheads that have refused to clear out, acne that has refused to clear out, especially hormonal acne that have refused to just let your face be, that have refused to let you rest, and you've been looking for an affordable alternative option or a cleanser that you can use to actually take care of these blackheads, of this acne, then this particular product, okay, is one that you really want to look out for. Now, mind you, okay, like I would always say in most videos, I have not used this product before. Everything I'm going to be sharing with you is based on my research, one, from the brand itself, from other people who have reviewed this product live, okay, and from people who have actually used this product and have actually gotten results from using this product. So putting all of this together, I'm going to be giving you a very detailed information as to everything you need to know about this cleanser. And now, it might not be the most affordable option, but honestly, for a product that is going to actually deliver on its promise, that is actually going to do everything it says it is going to do to the latter, this is one product that you want to get, especially if you are acne prone and you have a combination skin. The Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing Cleanser is an oil-free cleanser that helps to exfoliate your skin, to get rid of dead skin cells and help reduce excess oil on your face so that you can have a fresh, clear and soft skin once again. Now, what exactly are the specific things that this brand promises that this blackhead cleansing cleanser is going to do for you? This cleanser promises to clear blackheads, to also prevent blackheads, and it promises to do this by exfoliating the skin to help remove dead skin cells and to deeply cleanse your pores in order to prevent further blockage that actually leads to these blackheads and the acne. The Clean and Clear Blackhead Cleanser also promises to help you reduce oil on your face. Now, what this means basically is that it's going to help you to reduce the excess production of oil on your face, especially if you are acne prone and you have a combination skin, so that you can spend your entire day without experiencing oiliness all around your face. It is also, of course, going to fade your dark spots while it is clearing the blackheads. It is also going to clear your acne, and this has been proven. I mean, we're going to talk about that very soon. And of course, because it's a cleanser, it is gently going to cleanse out your skin, refreshing your skin and leaving your skin feeling smooth and soft. And there's one other thing that a lot of people, okay, have been missing, and I think this is actually very interesting. If you're somebody who likes to double cleanse or you have a need to double cleanse, this cleanser can also serve as your double cleanser. Like, you go in with your face wash first, and then for you to be sure that you've taken off all the residue of makeup or dirt or skincare product, chunk bulk of skincare products that you used during the day, you can actually use this as a double cleanser to wipe your face and take away all the smudge and dirt from your face. If you also have, a milder face wash, you can even switch it that way to still double cleanse by using it as a makeup remover to remove any makeup on your face, so that it is going to go deep into your skin and remove every excess of makeup that might have seeped okay into your pores all through the day, especially when you use heavy makeup like foundations, like primers and the rest of them. And then you can go in with a more gentle and a milder face wash in order to achieve a clear, glowing skin. Now, this cleanser, the Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing Cleanser, contains salicylic acid, which is an active, okay, a BHA active that helps to actively exfoliate your skin, leaving your skin feeling smooth, feeling clear, and will also reduce every appearance of acne, of inflammations that you might have on your face. I mean, that's basically what salicylic acid does, right? Whenever you find it in any of your skincare products or your body care products, its job there is to exfoliate your dead skin cells and to also help you get rid of inflammations like acne, whether on your face or other parts of your body, if you're using skincare products that are meant for other parts of your body, of course. It also contains glycerin, and this is the reason why it will dry out immediately on your face and you do not need to rinse it out. It is hydrating and does not leave your skin feeling very dry and skin tight. Okay, yes, even if of course you have to go in with your moisturizer as soon as you're done with it, because this is basically like the step one or step two of your skincare routine. You still have to make use of other skincare products that is going to actually make this product work for you. Now, before I tell you how you can use this cleanser to achieve a clean, flawless skin, you need to know first of all that this product is one that should not be used every single day. And for a lot of people who said that they experience side effects like extreme dryness or stinginess, the reason is because they were using it wrongly. And that is one of the major purposes of this video, right? So that you will not use it wrongly. Now, how were they using it wrongly? Salicylic acid is an active, like I already said. So it means that this cleanser contains actives that cannot afford to be on your skin in the morning and at night. And best bet, these people who are having these experiences or experiencing these side effects are not even using sunscreens. Okay, now if for any reason you are going to use an active on your skin, whether vitamin C, whether retinol, whether salicylic acid, whether glycolic acid, the best time to make use of them is in the night. If you use them during the day and you step out, the ultraviolet rays of the sun is going to be interfering with that product and will make your skin tan, will further irritate your skin. If you have a skin condition, even if you don't have a skin condition, it is going to further irritate your skin and damage your skin. Okay, and the only way to prevent that when you use them during the day is to go heavy on your sunscreen, especially if you are going to be in anywhere during the day where the sun is going to hit your face or any part of your body, whether from a window, whether from a door, or directly under the sunlight. And that is why it is best for you to use any product that contains salicylic acid in the night. That way you won't allow the salicylic acid to actually do its job to rejuvenate your skin, to freshen your skin, and do everything basically that it's supposed to do for your skin before you step out during the day. So now, how to use Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing Cleanser to take care of your acne, your blackheads, and to give you a clear, glowing skin. So now this brand actually has different variants of cleansers, and I would always say this, right? Whenever you notice that a particular brand, okay, or product that you want to use has its own lotion, has its own moisturizer, has its own toner, has its own face wash, if you want to get the best from that brand, from that product, your best bet is to go and get those other products, except it has just one. And in the case of this one, Clean and Clear brand, they literally have their own toner, they have their own face wash, they have their own moisturizer, they even have their own lotion if moisturizers are too heavy for your skin. But in this video, since we're dealing mainly with people who have acne prone skin, oily skin, and a combination skin, we're going to be talking about the products that you actually need to help you achieve a flawless skin using this Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing Cleanser. Okay, and everything is going to be from the brand, of course. Now, the first thing you want to try to lay your hands on is to get their face wash. You can use their face wash during the day, and then at night you can use both of them to double cleanse and then go in with any other skincare products that you might have in your skincare routine. Now, after washing your face and you're sure that you have a clean base, of course, I mean, the next thing you want to go in with is your cleanser. This Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing Cleanser. Apply it on a cotton pad, whatever it is that you have to apply it on. In some cases, okay, some people even say you can use your hands. Okay, just apply it, put it on your face and massage it into your face. But best, okay, best bet, all right, if you really want to take all of that dirt, all of that dead skin cell out of your face, is to get a cotton pad or cotton wool, okay, as we call it here in Nigeria, the ones that they use in the pharmacies, in the clinics, in the hospital. Dampen it with some of that cleanser and then use it to wipe your face in circular motions around your face, your forehead, especially those parts of your face where you always experience oiliness a lot. Like for example, myself, I experience a lot of oiliness on this part of my face, on my forehead, on my chin here, and around my nose area, my T-zone area here. So you want to focus more on those areas to clean out those places so that the cleanser can actually penetrate the pores in those areas of your face. Next thing that you want to do, okay, is to go in with a moisturizer. And like I have said in the beginning, if you can lay your hands on the Clean and Clear moisturizer, their daily moisturizer, whichever one you think is comfortable for you, especially their very light moisturizer, please go in with it. If you do not, make use of the moisturizer that you already got for your acne prone skin, your oily skin, or your combination skin. Get a good moisturizer to keep your skin even more hydrated, because yes, I know that the cleanser is hydrating. Like I said, it contains glycerin, right? But it is not going to keep your skin as hydrated or moisturized as you want. So you want to go in heavily with a very good moisturizer, and of course following with a sunscreen if you insist on using this product during the day. But if you're not using it during the day, you can just go in with your moisturizer, or if you have a serum, you go in with your serum at night, go to bed and wake up the following morning with your inflammations reduced. Now, everybody who said they used this product and actually got results from it began to see visible results within the first 1 week, okay? The first 7 days of using this product, they noticed that their blackheads began to fade a little bit. They noticed that their acne, the inflammations began to reduce, began to dry out literally between 3 to 4 days of using this product. And then between the second to the third and the fourth week of using this product, they noticed that their acne had cleared out, the blackheads had significantly faded out. Okay, now there were people who were complaining that this product was not clearing out their blackheads. The truth is that, for example, when we say people have acne, there are people who have different kinds of acne. There are people who have different, what do I call it, grades of acne. Okay, there are people who have very mild acne, there are people who have extreme severe acne, and there are people who have very extreme acne that cannot just afford to rely on just basic skincare products like this actually clear out the acne or the blackheads. So if you have very severe blackheads that have been present for a long time, you might want to be a bit more patient with this product, because this product is not an Osha Papa product, right? It is a product that is going to get its job done. It doesn't do it by magic. It takes a process. So depending on how long you've been battling with the blackheads and the acne is also going to depend approximately how long it is going to take you. Okay, for somebody who has a mild acne, they might begin to see very clear visible results within the first 7 to 14 days. That's 1 to 2 weeks of using this product. And for some other people who have severe acne, okay, or have been dealing with hormonal acne for a very long time that has refused to clear out, that is very stubborn, that have been dealing with very stubborn blackheads, they might want to give it between 4 weeks to 6 weeks to 8 weeks to begin to actually see any significant, results from their face. And in long-term use, you're going to discover that all of those imperfections are going to clear out eventually. I would always say on this channel, okay, in most of my videos, that any product that you buy that does all the magic that you need on your skin in a space of 1 week, okay, or 3 days, clears out your skin completely like magic, then something is wrong, and that product is actually going to affect your skin in the long term if you continue using it. Okay, if you want to continue using it, skincare is not magic. Skincare is not a one-time thing. Skincare is something that you keep doing consistently over time in order to achieve the kind of results that you want. And that, of course, my loves, brings more to the end of this video. Did you find this video helpful? Please let me know in the comment section below. Do you have other questions concerning this product? Okay, whether cleansers, whether toners, serums, body scrubs, face scrubs that you, body oils, face oils that you would like us to talk about, okay, to help inform your buying decision and to help you know if it is actually going to do its job or not for your skin. Drop them in the comment section below and I will be getting on with them immediately. And of course, till I come away next time in my very next pretty video, please share this video if you found it helpful, like this video, and of course, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. Bye.